Want to know how to use NFLX MultiSubs? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can watch Netflix with multiple subtitles using NFLX MultiSubs. Now open up any web browser and head over to Chrome Web Store. Then search for NFLX MultiSubs and click on Add to Chrome. Then add extension to install it. Once installed, you want to open Netflix in Chrome and log into your account. Play any movie or TV show, then pause it. Now click on the extension icon. You'll see a new subtitle icon or panel from NFLX MultiSubs. Click the panel to select your main subtitle language, then choose a second subtitle language to display at the same time. You can customize their size, color, and position in the extension setting. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.